So let us see some more questions or problems which are related to logarithms in this topic now. So we know already this is exponential form and this logarithmic form. Conversions vice versa. A power b is equal to x. We can convert into logarithmic form. B is equal to log x to the base a. And if anything is log x to the base a in the form of a logarithm, we can use this formula to convert into exponential form. So based on using this concept and this formula, we need to do some problems. For example, solve for x. So questions, let me give some questions. Log x to the base 3 is equals to 2. Now this is a simple problem. Just you can convert into exponential form first. This you can convert into exponential form. 3 to the power 2 is equal to x. Okay, base is 3 and power 2 is equal to x. Just you can use this logarithmic form to exponential form conversion vice versa. Then 3 square is equals to 9, that is x. So therefore x is equals to 9 in this problem. Let's take some more question, one more question in this. Okay, if you take let me take one big problem. Log 9 by 16 to the base x, here is the base is x, is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now solve the value of x. We need to find out the value of x. So directly in logarithmic form you can't find out. Just convert into exponential form first. That is base is x as it is and this value. These both will interchange. So I explained reason now. And power minus 1 by 2 is equals to 9 by 16. 9 by 16 and this 1 minus 1 by 2 will interchange. This convert into exponential form. Now x power minus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 16. Now using this statement we can find out the value of x. Okay, by taking this both, just you can take, here is a 9 by 16 and same x is the base. If you can make power is minus 1 by 2 and the what are the base, same base will come here. Okay, 9 by 16 is, if you apply the square root for this, so for example if you take together x power 1 by 2, that is 9, we can write 3 square because 3 3 is a 9 and 16 we can write as 4 square, right? Then this is together 3 by 4 all to the power 2, that is x to the power minus 1 by 2, but we actually need negative minus 1 by 2, that means you should apply the square root for this. So for this, so you can take directly 3 square and 4 square, get only 3 by 4 whole square, but we need power 1 by 2, so we can't do this in this method. Just to extend to square root of value. Okay, instead of taking, just only adjust power minus power 1 by 2 only should get. So we can write 9 by 16, that means 81. So square root of 81 is 9 by 16 is 256. 9 by 16. So square root of 81 by 256, that is root 81 is 9 and root 256 is 16. Because next step 81 we can 81 by 256 square root if you remove all to the power 1 by 2 we can take. Okay, that is 81 by 256 all to the power 1 by 2 because square root value is power 1 by 2. That's it. Now this side is base x to the power minus 1 by 2. But powers are not same. Just to make the negative power you can interchange this reciprocal. That is 256 by 81 all to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay, x to the power minus 1 by 2. Then powers are equal, just equate the bases. Therefore x is equals to 256 by 81. 256 by 81 is the value of x. If it is possible, you can simplify. Otherwise, this is the answer. Just finding the value of x. Just convert into exponential form, then only you can solve. Let me take one more question here. Solve for x. Okay, for example, here log 27 to the base 9 is equals to 2x plus 3. Okay, x is here in this. Any question method is same, just convert into exponential form first. Okay, if you convert in exponential form, 9 to the power 2x plus 3 is equals to 27. Okay, this is exponential form. Now just see the base, you should make it as same, or else power should make it as same. Here is power is x variable term. Now base is 9. Here also we should make it as 9. Then directly 9 power something, there is no 27 here. So 9 and 27 common factors is 3. So 9 I can write as 3 square whole to the power 2x plus 3. And 27 is 3 power 3. Okay. Then you can make base as same first. So 3 to the power 2 into 2x plus 3. Because a power m whole power n formula. A power m into n. This is 3 power 3. Now when the bases are same, just equate the powers. That is, once the bases are same, just to make equate the powers, that is 2 into 2x plus 3 is equals to 3. Simplify this. 4x plus 6 is equal to 3. So from this 4x is equals to minus 3. Okay, 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Then x is equals to minus 3 by 4. Right? X value is negative 3 by 4. That's it. So we can simplify the problems like this. Just anything is convert into exponential form, then we can solve using this method. These sums are the same type. Now, not only this conversion of exponential form to logarithmic form or logarithmic form to exponential form, we have some more laws of logarithms. So we have around 3 important formulas and 2 properties. Total 5 formulas are explained now. Using that laws of logarithms, how to solve the problems also, let us see.